Hello my viewers. Today I am going to discuss about importance of plumbing and a plumber. I am a student of vocational unit of Burdwan Town School class 9. My subject is plumbing. So today I am going to discuss about importance of plumbing and a plumber. In my previous video I have discussed about how to save water and life. But in this video I am going to discuss about importance of plumbing. Previously I told water is life. Why? Because all the plants and animals are fully dependent on water. Water maintains ecosystem. We use water for drinking, bathing or others etc. So in this video I am going to start. The plumbing and sanitary system is necessary for every housing project, small or big. Proper planning and designing of the plumbing system helps in maintain proper hygiene requirements of the occupants. It has been reported that 8% of the total construction cost of any building is marked for plumbing and sanitary works. If there is no existence of plumbing system, then we can't get a proper water supply system. I would like to discuss about what is plumbing. Before starting importance of plumbing, we all have to know what is plumbing. As you know that the water is circulated in your home with the help of pipes from the storage tank. Similarly, wastewater of the kitchen and toilets go back with the help of pipes from your house. A building will not be completed without the help of plumbing and sanitary arrangements. Every residential should have the regular and adequate water supply and the proper system for the disposal of wastewater. So what is plumbing? What is the definition of plumbing? The skill and art by which one can transport water from source to the treatment plants and then through a proper distribution system to the ultimate user is known as plumbing. And what is the definition of sanitary works? Sanitary works refers to carrying the wastewater from the plumbing fixtures to the waste dispersal system or sewerage system. The plumbing system includes water supply, 1 water supply, 2 rainwater drainage system, 3 sanitary drainage system, 4 soil pipes and fixtures. Next topic, and it is the main topic of my today's video. Plumbing and sanitation works play the major role in the construction of any building. Plumbing system is a basic requirement of all the houses. Plumbers are the most important frontline health workers around the globe. Plumbing system and plumbers' role are to protect the environment by providing safe and fresh water and sanitation through proper management, care, reuse and conservation of natural resources. Plumbing and plumbers play an important role in installation of technologies that address concerns about the depletion of fossil fuels and work towards reducing harmful emissions. Fresh water is the key of our life and it is the most precious thing of our planet. It is the most precious natural resource of our planet. By plumbing system, we can get the said resource water easily, so that we can drink, bath, wash our clothes and others, etc. And a plumber can set up a proper water supply system. Thank you. Please stay home to fight against coronavirus. Thank you for watching my video.